Minimalist bathroom with neutral colors 2025, serene and modern interior inspiration. Welcome to a calming escape where minimalist design meets timeless elegance. In this video, we showcase minimalist bathroom ideas for 2025, all embracing neutral tones such as soft whites, calming grays, warm taupes, and sandy beiges. These bathrooms are designed to bring peace, clarity, and style to your daily routine. Whether you're renovating a small space or designing your dream home, this collection features contemporary bathrooms with a clean aesthetic and refined simplicity. Let the harmony of neutral colors and minimalist materials inspire your next home update. What you'll discover in this video: minimalist bathroom designs with clean lines and open layouts. Serene color palettes using whites, beiges, grays, and natural stone hues. Floating vanities, walk-in showers, and frameless glass elements. Elegant use of textures such as matte tiles, wood, and stone. Spa-like design features and space-saving solutions. Tips for lighting, storage, and layout to enhance simplicity. Why choose a minimalist bathroom? Minimalist bathrooms are not only stylish, they're practical and calming. A clutter-free space allows for better organization, less visual stress, and a more peaceful start to your day. Neutral tones promote a sense of balance, while thoughtful design keeps the space functional and refined. Design features to look out for: neutral color schemes with soft contrasts, seamless tile work and concealed storage, floating shelves and vanities for an airy feel, subtle lighting to enhance natural textures, minimal hardware in matte black, chrome, or brushed nickel, earthy elements like stone, wood, and plants for warmth, frameless mirrors and minimalist decor accessories. Perfect for small and large bathroom layouts. Homeowners seeking a tranquil, spa-like space. Designers and renovators looking for 2025 bathroom trends. Anyone inspired by the less is more aesthetic. Pro tips: use textured neutrals, like travertine or brushed concrete, to add dimension. Stick to a limited color palette for a cohesive look. Combine natural and artificial light to keep the space bright and soft. Invest in quality over quantity. A few high-end fixtures go a long way. Add a single plant or bamboo tray for organic contrast. Don't forget to like the video if you love minimalist interior design. Comment your favorite idea or element. Subscribe for more design inspiration in 2025 and beyond. Share with fellow designers, homeowners, or renovation lovers.